Hi you guys, Molly from Molly's Artistry. This is going to be take 3, technically take 2 on this canvas. The cells got kind of crazy and they lost their shape, not because of over tilting, I think probably because of too much silicone, and the colors were not, my yellow was a little bit too thin. You can't really see this puddle right here, but there are so many cells in this color puddle right here. Maybe at the end, if I can remember, I'll show you. It's really pretty. I wish that had happened on my canvas. Same colors, Phthalocyanin blue from Liquitex Basics, aqua green, bright aqua green, burnt umber, and Naples yellow. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see if anything changes on this one. Now, my paint is much thicker in this one, so I used more paint to pouring medium ratio, and I used less silicone. I only used 1 to 2 drops in each. A couple of them ended up with 2 drops. I was only going to do 1 drop. I did mix them in the same cups that they were in before, so there might have been a little bit of silicone left in them, but I tried to scrape those really good to get all the colors out. This is a cradle wood canvas. And if you like my video, you guys please subscribe. I'm going to continue doing these for as long as I possibly can. I'm getting ready for an upcoming show, so I'm trying a lot of different things. I'm here in Florida, so the weather's always great, so I'm always outside. I'm in my garage. That's what I call my studio. My husband graciously gave me that. All right, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. So let me see. These paints are a little bit thicker, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the same kind of swoop down. Ooh, I got more at the bottom this time. Okay, got a couple of caterpillars there. Hope that didn't mess that up. Okay, here we go. This is the one that I failed at last time. Okay. I definitely, got a lot of caterpillars in there though. I don't like that. But I think the thicker mixture really works if you're trying to get well-defined shaped cells. Okay, well, I'm just gonna get started and see. The yellow again kind of took over, so I'll have to remember that for next time. I don't want to go too crazy on the, I got a little bit too much right there, but again, I'm learning. I don't know if you're learning or not, but I'm constantly learning. I would never say that I'm a master at this art because there are constantly things to be learning and to be, you know, experimenting with, trying different brands of paint together, trying different pouring mediums, trying different techniques. That's why I love this. All right, so enough talking. I've stalled enough. Let me get started. I have a bunch of cells popping up down here. I shouldn't have torched probably. Work down here first. Maybe I can get a little bit of that off. Spread some of those out. My sides actually, because I scraped this canvas, were already done. So let me just move side to side here. I like the cell composition better on this one. I'm gonna get up there to this corner. You guys can't even see what I'm stretching, can you? Maybe get that little caterpillar off of there. And then bring the paint back down. Okay, I definitely like the cells better in this one. Some of the cells lost their shape right along in here, but that's okay. I wonder if I should try to tilt any more of that off. You know what, guys, I'm gonna leave it. I kind of like it the way that it is. And my sides are all covered and I think it looks pretty good. Let me wipe my hands off, I'll show you. You guys should have seen me a second ago. I was like a total mess. I knocked like everything over possible on the table. Okay. Let me see if you guys can see that. So for me, thicker is better if I want to retain the shape of my cells. And that was what I was talking about in this puddle right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the cells in that puddle are amazing. All right, you guys. Molly from Molly's Artistry. Hope you have a good day. Bye.